Hello, my name is David Levine. I'm the owner of Illinois Nut and Candy. We're online at raisingthecandybar.com. Today we're in our kitchen and we're talking about how to make Moose Track candy. Now, did you know that Moose Track, the flavor itself, was originally created as an ice cream? We're going to do a different twist on it, and instead of calling it Moose Track candy, because we don't want to infringe on any trademarks, we're going to call it Moose Candy and talk about how to do it. What we're basically doing today is we're starting off with 3 ingredients. Peanut butter, ready to use frosting, and chocolate that I have in our chocolate tempering pot down here that's already been tempered and it's at the right temperature. What we're going to do today is we're going to start by taking some of the white chocolate out of the tempering kettle. We're going to pour it into a bowl. And of course, when the camera's on, I'm always going to make a bigger mess than I normally would. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the chocolate ready to use fudge frosting, put it in. We're going to start to mix it. After you have the chocolate on the tray, the mixture on the tray, you'll either put it in a cold box or refrigerator to get the nice smooth texture. We will wait a good 15 minutes to a half hour depending on the temperature of the cold box, depending on how long you want it to. After it's all hardened, we'll take it out of the cold box. Then what I'm going to do is take a straight edge and I'm going to cut it into squares. We'll cut it out. You'll see there's the paper behind. We just throw that in the garbage. And there we have Moose Candy. Have a sweet day.